Did you know that earthquakes can be measured by listening to the Earth's natural hum? Scientists use ultra-sensitive instruments to detect these low-frequency vibrations, which are inaudible to the human ear. This hum, caused by ocean waves and atmospheric pressure, provides clues about seismic activity. Surprisingly, it helps predict earthquakes by revealing stress points in the Earth's crust. Imagine the planet singing its secrets. This quirky method is a game changer in earthquake prediction, offering a unique insight into our planet's hidden symphony. Fascinated? Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories.